Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So for my previously recorded video, I did state that I was going to do a follow-up and talk about the worst hair vendors that I've ever come across on AliExpress. I list them all down below. So if you ever come across the hair companies with the names down below, I would just like for you to be aware of their hair. Their hair sucks, it stinks, it's the worst, it's not of quality, it didn't last, it matted, it tangled, it frizzed, the customer service was piss poor. I recall recording a few videos using hair scent, and I did in fact have good experiences, but after recording the video and actually wearing the hair for a longer period of time, I did notice changes in the hair. I noticed that it was shedding. I noticed that the ends of the hair just started to break off or things like that. And if you guys aren't familiar with my channel, I do a lot of hair videos, and I kind of slowed down on it because, well, one, it's become oversaturated a bit. There are a lot of hair reviewers here on YouTube, a lot of beauty bloggers and beauty gurus, so they're kind of taking over, and I'm taking a step back from it because I actually have a hair business now and I'm making wigs. I don't really want to do too many hair reviews because of the fact that I'm now in the industry. So why would I take the shine from my hair company and put it on someone else? We all know AliExpress is a hit or miss 9 times out of 10. These companies, they were just the worst. In no particular order, I'm reading off of my phone real quick. Gem Beauty, La Moda Hair Company, Ali Moda Hair Company, which might be a little surprise to you guys because I've done reviews and I've done great reviews on Ali Moda Hair Company. However, the quality of the hair has sucked. As of late, it sucked. Modern Show Hair. Modern Show Hair was probably the first vendor that reached out to me in regards to doing a review. However, their customer service and how they kind of talk to their customers and clients kind of put them on, you know, the back burner a little bit. And along with that, their hair just is not, it's, girl. Longy Beauty Hair, Sunlight Hair Company, Maxine Hair Company. Yeah, Maxine Hair Company, they tried it. That's one company I feel sends good hair to reviewers, but sends like the scraps and trash hair to actual buyers. Not sure about everyone else that I've listed so far, but that's one company I feel they honestly do that. And I feel bad for whoever purchased hair from them based off of my review, because I've seen the comments and I hate the fact that that happens. Like, I'm telling y'all, money is like the ruler of all evil, and a lot of these Chinese hair companies, like, y'all gonna reap what y'all sow. Sexy Hair Company, VIP Beauty Hair, which may come as a shock because I love every hair that I've ever purchased from them. I've love. But I see the comments under my videos and I pay attention to it. I do not wear their hair anymore, and I do not purchase their hair. And I think I said that in my previous video, talking about the best hair vendors. Yeah, I don't wear their hair anymore. OXEYE Girl Hair. So OXI Girl Hair. Not only are their closures thin, but the second you put bleach on those knots, the shedding will just never stop. Their hair is trash too. I've had deep wave, water wave, and curly hair from them before. Just save your coin. AISI Hair. I've only had their 613 hair, which was trash. If you're in the market for 613 hair, I do not recommend them. That's all I could say about them. It's just, you're wasting your money. So yeah, AISI Hair, like, save your money when it comes down to purchasing 613 hair from them. I can't say anything else about like their natural colored hair, but when it comes down to that 613 hair, girl, please, it's so trash. Save your money, run. Yeah. And the last hair company is Bo Diva Hair Company. There's a lot that I can say about this company. They do not treat paying customers good at all. Their customer service is trash. All these companies, when I've run into issue, all of the companies that I've stated so far in this video, all of them, when I've ran into issues, they only offer like the bare, not even the bare minimum. They offer like nothing, little to nothing. A $5 refund off of a $300 order. Like, really? It's a hit or miss, okay? And I've missed several times, which is why I'm doing this video now. It took me some time because I had to really like do my research, and I had to really try out and test out hair in order to bring you guys something that is like really concrete and credible. So yeah, all of these companies I do not recommend. No, I will never review for them ever again, no matter how much they try to pay me or whatever. I love for my hair to look good. I like to look nice and put together. I'm not gonna be walking around with these funky bundles that smell like fish and chips. Bundles that are processed, bundles that are just not of quality, hair that tangled, shedded, and matted just from touching it. So yeah, that's it. If you guys have any further questions, or if you guys even have companies that you would not recommend, I would truly appreciate it if you would leave that comment down below this video, share your experience and whatnot. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.